This is CodeCombat. I'm currently working on their Computer Science 2 course, the Python version of it. I'm on level 1, Defense of Plainswood. And let's see here. Goal. Villagers must survive. Move your mouse cursor over a spot to find the X and Y numbers of the location. Yeah. So if you can see, it's kind of blurry, but when I put my cursor over here, it says that's 4021 maybe, and a bit down on the X would be 4020. Okay, there's an invisible graph behind our game board, right? So X is left and right, or on the horizontal, and Y is the vertical. So over here, let's see what we have. This is way over here, I think is 0, 0, and then X is going to increase, and to go up, Y increases. So remember how to build. Hero.buildXY, and this is building a fence. So let's see what they want us to do. Now remember, in Python, a hashtag, or a pound sign, if you're old like me, is a comment. Comments are for programmers. That's for a programmer to read. The computer ignores that, so I bet there's useful info. Build 2 fences on the marks to keep the villagers safe. Okay. Hover the mouse. All right, so let's see here. That looks like X. I think it's X40, Y39. So I'm going to just start typing in build. And you want to use build XY. And if you forget, you can click on this and it explains. I want this to say fence, right? Build types we'll use a little later. Okay, so that already says fence, and I think I said, yep, X is 40, Y is 39. X comes first. Oh, what? No, Y, I should do 20. 40, 20 for that one. And let's hit run to test it. And hopefully fence built. And then I need to go up here to 40, and Y is 50, okay? So let's say hero up. How many times? Probably twice. And then I'm going to say build XY, fence is what I want, and then I thought it was 40 and 50 for the XY. X is first, then Y. Let's see if I got it. Oh, and this enemy is already here, so maybe what I'm going to do is switch these numbers. So let's put this one, so I build the top one first, and the bottom one second. Then I wouldn't want to move up. I'm going to move down. Oh, and perfect. Villagers must survive. Done. So that's the code that worked for me. I had to move up first. Awesome. Let's keep going.